So now here question number 9. In triangle PQR, segment PM is a median angle bisector of PMQ, and PMR intersects side PQ and side PR in points X and Y respectively. Prove that XY parallel to QR. Complete the proof by filling in the boxes. पहिला दिला in triangle PMQ, MX is the bisector of angle PMQ. मग हा M, XM कशाचा बायसेक्टर आहे? अँगल M चा. इन ट्रायंगल AQM. मग काय घ्या? therefore we have PX upon XQ is equal to PM upon MQ. This is a first theorem of angle bisector. Theorem of angle bisector. Similarly, in triangle PMR, ray PM, ray MY is bisector of angle PMR. या ट्रायंगल मध्ये जो, so that is PY upon YR. PY upon YR is equal to, what is this? PM upon MR. PM upon MR. This is again second same reason of the theorem of angle bisector of triangle. So therefore, but MP upon MQ is equal to PM upon MR. This is equal to this, PM upon MR. Reason is दिलेला आहे, given M is the midpoint of QR, is the midpoint of QR. Therefore we have PX upon XQ is equal to PY upon YQ. PY upon YR. PY upon YR. Upon YR. Therefore XY. Therefore XY parallel to QR by converse of basic proportionality. Converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. Now this is 9th problem which is given to you in the problem set number 1. Question number 10. Question number 10. So now here what are given? Here AB is equal to 5, AC is equal to 4, BC is equal to 6. To find AX upon AY, as well as we are given bisectors of angle B and C of triangle ABC intersect each other in point X. Line AX intersects side BC in point Y. आता एक पाहायचं आपल्याला माहित आहे की काय करतो आपण जनरली अँगल बायसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी वापरतो. सोल्युशन. So here we have a triangle घेतो ABY. So here in figure we have AB upon BY is equal to AX upon XY. This is number 1. Property of angle bisector. Similarly, we have हा triangle घेतो ACY. So that is AC upon CY is equal to AX upon XY. This is again second. Reason is same. That is property of angle by. From one and two, we say that AB upon BY is equal to AC upon CY is equal to AX upon XY. It is ratio of theorem of equal ratio चा आपण वापर करू. So therefore AB plus AC upon BY plus CY is equal to AX plus upon XY. Theorem on equal ratio. Theorem on equal ratio. So therefore, AB plus now AB plus AC upon BC is equal to AX upon XY. So now AB, therefore substitute value. What is AB? It is 5. What is AC? It is 4. What is BC? It is 6. It equal to AX upon XY. Therefore, we have 9 upon 6 is equal to AX upon XY. 3 3 9, 3 2 7. Therefore, AX upon XY 3 3 9, 3 2 7 is equal to 3/2. Hence the answer. Problem number 11. In quadrilateral ABCD, segment AD parallel to BC, diagonal AC and BD intersect in point P. Then show that AP upon PD is equal to PC upon BP. Now, proof. Now, solution. In triangle, what is triangle? PAD and triangle PCB बैलेंस है. ए बरोबर सी है ना. ए बरोबर सी. पी इज ए अपोजिट एंगल्स. ठीक है. इथे PAD है. सो देयरफॉर वी हैव एंगल PAD is congruent to angle PCB. This is by alternate angle. Similarly, we have angle APD is congruent to angle CPB by vertically opposite angles. So from this that we say triangle PAD, it is similar to triangle PCB by a test of similarity. Therefore we have PA upon PC is equal to PD upon BP. Corresponding side of similar triangle. Now then by alternative we change this here. So PA upon PD is equal to PC upon PB. That is AP upon PD is equal to PC upon BP. Hence proved. Hence the result. So this is 11. Now see 10 number problem. So next problem number 12. Here is complete the activity to find the value of AC. ही एक ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे, इथे दिलेलं आहे, कंप्लीट करायची आहे. 2AX अपॉन 3BX. 2A म्हणजे हा BX इकडे आला म्हणजे AX अपॉन BX, इथे काय 3 upon 2. So now AX plus BX, AX means 3 plus BX means 2. So this is upon 2, that is equal to 3 plus 2 5 by 2. Now triangle BCA B and triangle BYAX it is similar. By what test? हा ए बरोबर काय होईल, एक्स होईल. हे पॅरलल आहे म्हणून हा आणि हे करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स होतील. सो इट इज बाय ए टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलॅरिटी. Therefore we have corresponding sides BA upon BX. So BA upon BX is equal to AC upon XY. AC upon XY. Now BA ची व्हॅल्यूज तुम्हाला that is 5, BX ची व्हॅल्यू 2. So therefore AC is equal to 5 by 2 into 9, that is equal to, therefore AC is equal to 22.5. This is from 1. So here is the activity is completed. So now see on problem set number 1. Question number 13. Here we have to give a GTEF is a square. The vertices of this square lie on the sides of a triangle ABC, where angle A is equal to 90 degree. To prove that DE square is equal to BD into AC. Now proof मला given दिला in figure. I have proof in figure. What we have that DZ is equal to GF is equal to EF is equal to DE. This is the first sides of a square. Sides of a square. Now in triangle BAC, in triangle BAC and triangle BAC and triangle BDG. B is common. A is 90, D is 90. So now angle BAC is congruent to angle BDC, that is each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. So now angle ABC is congruent to angle ABC is congruent to angle DBC. So this is common. Therefore, triangle ABC, triangle BAC is similar to triangle BDZ. This is second. Similarly, we can prove BAC, triangle BAC is similar to triangle BAC is similar to triangle FEC. Now here A is 90, E is 90, C is a common. This is third. Therefore, from 2 and 3 we say, therefore triangle BDZ is similar to triangle FEC. This is from 2 and 3. Since the triangles are similar, therefore, what we say that? Therefore, we have BD upon FE is equal to DZ upon EC. So now this from 1, this is to that fourth. This is a fourth corresponding side of similar triangle. Therefore, BD upon FE, तुम्हाला पाहिजे D square ना, so that is D. FE means D, so D is equal to DZ. What is DZ? It is again EF, that is DE upon EC. This is from 1. Therefore, taking cross multiply, DE square is equal to BD into EC. Hence proved. So now see here, पहले हा स्क्वेअर दिला होता, कोणता आहे GDEF किंवा DEFG, हा स्क्वेअर आहे. मग स्क्वेअर असल्यामुळं हा एक ट्रायंगल तयार, स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणून याचे अँगल्स काय होईल 90 डिग्री, म्हणून हा 90चा हा 90. ठीक आहे. त्यानंतर ही साईड सारखी आहे, ही साईड बरोबर ही साईड बरोबर ही साईड बरोबर ही साईड हे लिहून घेतलं. मग काय करायचं होतं, ट्रायंगल सिमिलर, मग BEC घेतला, त्याबरोबर हा एक ट्रायंगल BDZ. D का घेतला, D 90 आहे, A 90 आहे, B हा कॉमन झाला. सो मग BAC आहे, BDZ काय झाले, सिमिलर बाय A. नंतर घेतो BAC is similar to FEC. E 90 है, A 90 है, C is common. So the triangle C, similarly we can prove triangle BAC similar triangle FEC. So therefore BDZ similar to triangle FEC from 2 and 3. आणि मग corresponding side घेतले. आता इथे FE आहे, FE म्हणजे side of DZ. तुम्हाला D विचारलं म्हणून that is D. DZ means D. So substituting the values, and so we get DE square is equal to BD into AC. So this is the problem number 13.